Today I'm going to show you an app to earn from home. Like you can see on the screen, like you can see upload any bill. So if you click on that camera, you can upload any kind of bills like grocery bill or any tickets like BMTC bus tickets or online shopping or any food delivery. Like you can upload any kind of bill. So the thing is, if you upload a one bill, you can play for 3 days. See, for example, like one game I can show you in the game arena. Like you can see here, so many games are there, but Tambola, like Tambola only can earn more. Remaining games are like simply you can play for time pass. The thing is, you can see 25. You can see on the screen, like for 30 days. If you upload 10 tickets, you can play for 30 days. That means one ticket you can play for 3 days. So you can see on my screen, I can play for 25 days. I have uploaded so many bills. So coming to the like this app name is called Crown It. So you can earn in two ways. You can play the games and you can earn through service. So you can see on the screen, stay home, stay safe, answer and get up to 1250. So if you do this survey, they will give you up to 1250 any amount. They will give good cash only. Like it's a good app. Like you can earn from home. So the thing is like two ways is another way is game. Like you can play Tambola. I will explain you that later. How to play Tambola. So coming to this one, I earned so many ways. Like one more thing is there. Like you can earn from weekly rush. The weekly rush is if you upload one bill, like for any upload any bill, you can play weekly rush on Friday. Like for example, so they'll give you a ticket number. So on the Friday, every week Friday, 3 p.m. it will start like up to 10 minutes. They will call numbers like ticket numbers. So if your ticket number will come, they will give you like good prices like gems, crowns. Crowns means like for 2 crowns 1 rupee. For 2 crown is equal to 1 rupee. So they'll give you 4,000 people 30 crowns, 20 crowns for 5,000 people. One iPhone they will give you every Friday. So it's a good app. You can earn from home. Not only on quarantine, you can earn at any time. Like if you upload bill, you can play game, you can do service, you can earn money. Then I will show you like things I earned till today. Like you can see so many Paytm cash I earned for my service. I did so many service till today. Like you can see 750 and 50 120. Like so many surveys I did. Like 750 you can see I earned for a big survey. So many cash I earned from this app. So I earned almost like 2000 plus Paytm cash from this app. Gems also they will give. One gem means 5 gem is equal to 250 rupees. Book my show voucher. So this is the price I can earn. Coming to crowns, I already told 2 crowns is equal to 1 rupee. Till today I earned 2264 crowns. That means like almost nearly 1100 change. Like 145 crowns I can redeem. Means remaining I already redeemed. Till today I redeemed so many. So you can see Tambola I will explain you later. From Tambola you can earn crowns. So many things like crowns they will give mainly. And I redeemed so many Amazon cashes from those crowns. For example, I redeemed 100 coin for 50 Amazon voucher I will get. So I claimed so many crowns to Amazon vouchers. like if you don't get today, you can get tomorrow, and after tomorrow. But you can earn like if you're playing daily, like at least weekly once or twice, you can earn, no issue. So it came, it's there in ticket too. The game will go for 9 minutes, like from 2 p.m. to 9, and from 9 p.m. to 9 night. So 2 times you can play per day. So 14 is there I selected. So you can see like number will go on calling. If you are lucky, then you can win the game. See, now early 5 climb started. So this early 5 is like within 30 seconds, 100 they can climb, because the random, right? Some 100 people will get early. That's what the name is called, early 5. Who will get early 5 numbers, they can climb. See, already 24. Only 24 are there. Just 1 or 2 numbers, the whole 100 people will climb early 5. They'll give 1 jump further. So per month, if you get a 5 jumps, you can redeem it for 250 rupees Book My Show voucher. So like you can climb if you get the numbers. You can see on the ticket 1 climb. So see, I just climbed early 5, but someone climbed before 49 seconds, means before I climbed. So early 5 will go so early. That's what they called it, name early 5. So 4 came, that is also not there. So give me 1. I can't climb for any of the patterns like early 5, top line, middle line, bottom line, because that is not satisfying. My tickets are not satisfying. From this screen you can able to see like which are number called, so you can parallel, you can check your tickets, like if you missed any numbers they called. 15 is there in my ticket too, I just selected it. So early 5 is already climbed, remaining we can wait and we can climb if I get those numbers, which are numbers in my ticket. If I get those, I can climb it. Otherwise I will not get anything. Like for this game, I can play for next game. I can climb it, I can use it, I can redeem it. It's a good game, you can play every day. Not only to earn, you play for fun also. It's a nice game. Totally depends on your luck. So 2 not came. So you can see in my ticket too, if I get 147, like 147, I can climb for left house. But it depends. If those 2 numbers comes, then only I can climb. Otherwise, I can't climb for left house. 82 came. That is also not there. Still, like middle line, top line, bottom line, still I can climb. Depends on next numbers called. 62 there. Is also not there. So you can see on like some still very less numbers called. 50 came now. 50 is not there. So you can see on the top like 3057 people are live. That many people are playing this game now presently. Among those people, like almost around 400 plus people will get every day in every game. There is also not there. This game will go for 9 minutes, like from 2 to 9 to 9. So see, you can see now so many climb mid line, top line, left house, 6 corners. People already climbed that. see like which roll numbers called. So it is there. I selected indicator. So this game will go very fast. Like within a seconds, you will miss the anything. You can miss it in a seconds. So while climbing, you need to be fast. Otherwise, someone will climb within 2-3 seconds before you. So you can miss. Sometimes I missed it in 2-3 seconds of like all even I missed it some 4 seconds. Like I missed it once within 10 seconds I missed it once 6 corners. So you need to be fast while climbing. Sometimes due to network glitches, like it will like load slowly, then it will load the numbers. So now only bottom line rate of spending. Sometimes you can see like still showing bottom line 18. Means 18 are available. Sometimes due to network glitch or something, it will not update. It's already closed. You can see the time like if 2.8 or 2.9, almost like other than full house, everything will be climbing within that time. Like 2.8 is the deadline. So those two are already claimed. I can say like bottom line right house. So it's not updated yet. So if you try to climb, it will show like someone climbed within before 3 seconds before you, like that it will show, but not updated. Suddenly you can see on the screen like full house climb. So the game over, like that you can see at the end of the game. Now time is 2:09. It's time to end the game. Game is over. Like someone climbed the full house today. Like one person will get the full house. Means 500 rupees. I'm not sure. Actually, yesterday I got this. I can say yesterday at this time when I played, I got a full house. Full house means rupees 500 Amazon. See, yesterday 26th April, game 1, I climbed full house. So some game you will get, some game you will not get anything. Keep on playing. Someday you will get like. Not only like you will not get like today tomorrow, but day after tomorrow you can get. And it is not like after 1 week you will get 1 day. It's not like that. It fully depends on luck. You can get today also, tomorrow also, day after tomorrow also. Sometimes you will not get for continuously 3-4 days. Thanks for watching.